Welcome to my channel Step to Learn. Today we learn about uses of water. Let's start. We use water for drinking. Water is used for drinking. Brushing. Water is used for brushing. Bathing. Water is used for bathing. Cooking. Water is used for cooking. Washing clothes. Water is used for washing clothes. Washing hands. Water is used for washing hands. Washing utensils. Water is used for washing utensils. Cleaning. Water is used for cleaning. Swimming. Water is used for swimming. Washing vehicles. Water is used for washing vehicles. Other uses of water are farming. Water is used for farming. Industries. Water is also used in industries. Extinguishing fire. Water is used to extinguish the fire. Constructing house. Water is also used in constructing house. Animals also need water to live. They drink water. Plants need water to live and grow, as water is very essential for plants to grow. Now, water is a precious natural resource, so we should never waste it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.